Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Relativity eDiscovery and how you can master legal document review and case management in 2025. If you're working in a legal tech or law firms, Relativity is a powerful tool that makes handling large sets of documents and evidence way more efficient. To start, log into your Relativity workspace. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of active cases, review progress, and recent activity. One of the key features is Document Review module. Here you can tag, code, and categorize documents based on their relevance or privilege status. Relativity's powerful search tools let you click and find specific files or keyboard across thousands of documents, saving a ton of time. You can also create saved search or automated workflows to speed up repetitive tasks. Case management gets easier with a dashboard and reporting. Track reviewers' productivity, see how many documents are left, and get insights into case milestones. Plus, Relativity integrates with other tools like AI analytics to help spot important documents faster. If you're managing a team, assigning a batch and monitoring progress keeps everyone aligned and deadlines on a track. And the platform security features ensure that sensitive information stays protected through the review process. So, whether you're a legal professional or a paralegal, Relativity eDiscovery in 2025 helps you handle document reviews and case management with precision and speed. And thanks for watching. If this helped you out to gain a handle on Relativity, make sure to like this video, leave the comments, and subscribe for more legal tips and tips. Catch you in the next video.